Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's great to have you here. Great to have each one of you that are new, and thank you for subscribing. It really does help out the channel, and I appreciate it. Let's jump right into it. Your YouTube channel is going to be huge. So guys, they just came out today and said there's no more applications available for the economic injury disaster loan. I am so sorry. I knew it was going to go quick. You just had to hop on a couple days ago and you would have been able to get in and get it. But I'm sorry. Just kidding. April Fools. That was a terrible joke. Here's a tutorial. Hop on, get it done. Do it today. Do it tonight. Take 5 minutes and you'll be done. So first, you guys are going to jump on and go to sba.gov. When it pulls up, there's a yellow bar at the top. You're going to jump on there and press click here. Once that loads, you'll go down, select the type of company you are, just read through them and figure out which one you are. Most will either fall into the first or the second, and then read through the items below and check them all off. Continue on. What's your business name? I'm just putting my name. Technically, if you're a sole proprietorship, I didn't pick that, but if I was, it would just be my name. And what's your EIN or social? Put it in there. Say I'm a LLC. No. My gross revenue. Say 10. What's my costs? Let's say 1,000. Say no expenses. Actually, those aren't even required, so you can skip those. Just these first two are required. But if these apply to you, fill them out. Primary address. It's not really my address. Okay, so you're going to keep going, do your email. I don't know where I came up with Jennifer, but that's who I'm using today, apparently, for my street and email. So current ownership since, for most of you, that's probably just going to be the same day as when the company was created, unless you purchased the company, then those two dates will be different. And then here you're going to pick what type of company you have. Let's say real estate. Say real estate management. Now here you can go no employees, 1 employees, just however many you have. And here you're going to fill out your personal information. Oh, I do this every time. Every time I've done this and helped somebody else do it. So see how this isn't dark blue? You want to go back up to the top. I skipped this. Is your business owned by another business? Answer is most likely no. The only time that is yes is if you literally have another business that owns your business rather than you owning your business. Check these, read them, and answer them properly. Right here, did anybody help you fill it out? No, unless you actually have somebody helping you fill it out. I did not help you fill it out. Right here, super important. I would like to be considered for an advance up to $10,000. That is the $10,000 grant that is totally forgivable. You do not have to repay, and that you will get here very soon after you apply. What's your bank? Account number, routing number. Scroll down, agree, next. Review all of this. Read through it all. Make sure it's all right. I am not a robot. Submit. You're done. That's literally all you have to do to apply for this $10,000 grant. And that's it, guys. It's literally that easy. So jump on, fill it out, take 5 minutes out of your time. You just saw me blow through this. The hardest part for me when I did it for myself was looking up on my QuickBooks Online account how much I profited over the last 12 months and how much I spent over the last 12 months. Anyway, guys, jump on, fill it out, get it done. As you can see, I have President Trump here behind me. My wife thought it would be funny to put quotes from President Trump all over our house this morning. He followed me around from the bathroom to my bathroom sink to my laptop. And this one was in my laptop when I woke up this morning. I don't know if you guys can read it. It says, your YouTube channel is going to be huge. And so that's kind of her joke to me, is President Trump following me around all day. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for so many people who subscribed. Thank you so much. It really does help out the channel. See you next time.